Good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing a Undecorate and Clean with me. It's the day after Christmas. It's about 6:45 in the morning. I've been up for about an hour. Had a cup of coffee, but I'm ready to kind of start a little bit of this. I like to get it all down and cleaned up before the new year because New Year's is my birthday, so I like a fresh, clean start before I start that. Just to preface a few things I did yesterday. Before I went to bed last night, I ran a load of laundry with any Christmas towels, clothing, anything like that, so it would be clean and dry for me to put away today. I'm running the dryer to fluff it because I literally transferred it and went to bed. So we're gonna fold that in a few minutes. And then I also ran the dishwasher with any Christmas dishes. I'm gonna unload that first because I want to get all the Christmas dishes out on the counter so I can pack that stuff away, and so the dishwasher's empty for any food I eat this morning, this afternoon while I'm doing this. I can put my dishes away and try to keep things as tidy as possible. And what was the other thing? Oh, and another thing I do usually while I'm cleaning, because I've watched all the Christmas movies, but I like to watch any of the Christmas movies I want to rewatch that are on my DVR, and as I watch them I delete them so that gets cleared out as well. So I have a Christmas movie going. I've had a cup of coffee, that's it. As you can tell, I'm like definitely just been woke up. I've got a horrible bag under the side. But anyway, so we're gonna start by unloading the dishwasher and then kind of gathering all of the Christmas dishes on that counter. And then I'm gonna go take care of the laundry part of it, fold what's in there, pull out what's Christmas. And oh, one other thing I did yesterday, which I don't normally do, I did take the Christmas lights off the back porch because it was gonna start raining late yesterday, and for the next 2 days I didn't want my Christmas lights wet when I'm trying to put them away. So I did take down the outside lights there. I haven't touched the front porch because that's covered, but we'll do that probably, like, okay, sorry, I'm jumping ahead. Basically, dishwasher, laundry. I'm gonna take a break and make me some breakfast. Then I will probably, if depending on the light outside, because it is rainy, it's still dark out, I may take ornaments off the trees, then go outside and do the outside lights, and then we'll just come back in. Usually when I'm undecorating, I get things down and move them all to the spare bedroom so it's all in one central location. And then once everything's down, I can pack it all up, put that away, then we'll start with the actual deep cleaning. And when I say deep cleaning, it's not like I'm doing every nook and cranny. It's just that once you take down Christmas decor, because of garlands and things, I feel like I need to like dust with a rag, kind of like I did for Thanksgiving. So we'll do that after we're done with all the decorations. Sorry, that was a lot of talking. I probably won't talk a lot today. I might explain what we're doing here and there and then just show you what I'm doing. Well, obviously I'm so tired I didn't record any of it, but the dishwasher's unloaded. This is all the Christmas dishes that are gonna need to be packed away. I'm gonna go take care of the laundry next, and then we'll come back and pack this stuff probably before I eat. Dryer going with a couple of the items that had to air dry last night, and at this point I'm gonna get all of the bins out so I can get to the one I need for dishes.
low, spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times, even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in the corner just to get a space, 'cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you're taking my time. It feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that. Still, you'd rather take it all.
All the decor's down, so now we get to start organizing the chaos into bins so I can put it away. So as you can see, there is stuff everywhere, especially on the bed. So we're gonna pack all this stuff away, put it all away, and then I'm gonna take a break.
Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, 'cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. 'Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. 'Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. For you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get.
Like I mentioned, I'm gonna take a break for a few minutes, drink some water. It's about 10 o'clock on the dot. So I'll probably give myself like 30-ish minutes to rest, and then we're gonna clean. I'm not gonna take you with me, but I'm gonna do my bedroom and the 2 bathrooms, get those cleaned, and then we'll work together on the main rooms of the house and putting them back to, I guess you could say, somewhat normal.
Maybe I made some mistakes. Maybe you shouldn't talk that way. Really matter if the bed's made, or if it wore the same shirt that day. Maybe I don't think the same. Maybe you showed up too late. I left my shoes by the doorway. I like it that way. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone you lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? hear you breathing. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm not someone you leave all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, so baby, come on.
I'm gonna spare you the repetitiveness. I'm gonna vacuum the dining room and the kitchen and I'm done. And then I'm gonna get me a shower and I'm gonna relax for the rest of the day. I hope you came or enjoyed coming along with me today as I undecorated for Christmas and cleaned my house back up and put things kind of back to normal. I will be putting up a short here shortly where I'm gonna put out the New Year's decor. I'm not gonna get to that now. That'll probably be like an after work thing later this week. I don't decorate a ton, just a little bit. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.
Just let me be your someone.